Okay, read Mommy. What does the mail say?
I don't remember now.
Well, read it.
I don't remember.
What did you read me just now?
I don't remember.
Well, read it to me again. Read me something new.
On this side, though. I love Mommy and Daddy give me chocolate milk, and I always just and it gets nap time, and when it's nap time, I have to sleep. And I love Daddy so much, and Daddy gives me chocolate milk. And then
Is that everything? What does that beside say?
that I have to sleep, but when it's morning, I don't have to sleep. And it says, well, when it's morning, I only have to drink chocolate milk.
You get to drink chocolate milk in the morning? What, do you get to drink chocolate milk at bedtime?
Yeah.
You do?
But I have to sleep. When sister brings, you have to really go to sleep. Not 10. And you don't go to sleep, sister won't bring you no present. You'll be a good boy, sister still won't be bring you no present. You sleep, sister won't bring you no present. But sister, this not mail.
This ain't mail?
Uh-uh.
What is it?
Sister bought this.
He did?
Uh-huh.
What?
Look.
Yeah, we're in the car wash, ain't we?
I'll wash it off.
Don't wipe my window,
Why?
because it'll make the inside dirty. It don't clean the inside, it just cleans the outside. What color is that?
Blue.
No, it ain't blue. Blue's your favorite color.
Blue.
What's Mommy's favorite color?
Pink.
Yep. What color is that?
Pink.
Yep.
That's pink in it.
Yep. What's Daddy's favorite color?
Blue and white.
What's Papa's favorite color?
Oh, green.
Yeah. And what's Mommy's?
Pink.
You know what that paper says?
What?
That says Mommy's got to pay her phone bill.
No, it don't.
Yep.
No, it don't.
Where are we going when we leave the car wash?
Let's see what it says. It says, oh, when we wait for the car wash, we'll buy a bin toy.
Is that what it says? What?
But not a lot of money, though.
Not a lot of money, right?
Uh-huh.
Just a cheap one.
Uh-huh. And it says, only just a cheap one.
Yeah. Why do you have to get a cheap one today?
Because that's, because it's different toy with lots of super money.
Yeah, and you get one all the time.
And it says that. Yes, it says that. It says,
So this time you got to get a cheap one.
It says, I have. Say that again.
I said, because you get toys all the time. So this time you got to get a cheap one. You can't get one every day.
I didn't get it. Say it one more time.
I said, you get toys all the time. You can't get one every day.
It says, I can't get one every day. Or I can get a cheap one. What's the other stage? Are you there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's all mail.
Is it?
But that ain't all of it. Because here's the other meals.
Yep. Let's see how much our phone bill is.
They phone bill.
It's $108, Ben.
No.
It's our internet bill.
No, it's not.
And it's a letter from Santa.
Yeah.
And whose boy are you? Huh? Ben Sloan. You ain't gonna tell Mommy?
No, I don't have to ever die.
Well, I'm sad. I don't feel like buying a toy now.
Mommy's a baby. Mommy's a baby. Mommy's a baby.
You're a baby.
Mommy's a
Who
baby.
got you a toy today? Didn't you already get a toy today?
No.
Somebody brought you a Superman. And a Spider-Man cover and a monkey.
No, nobody didn't. Mommy and monkey.
We're pulling out.
Let's go buy me a toy, okay?
I can't.
Why?
Because you won't tell me whose boy you are.
Ben.
You're Ben? But whose boy are you?
Ben.
Benny Short?
No, Ben.
But whose boy are you?
Ben.
No. You gotta say it.
Daddy.
What?
Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, you ain't going to be just Mommy's?
And Mommy.
It's okay. Mommy will share with Daddy. Because I love Daddy. Me and you both love Daddy, don't we? He's an okay guy, ain't he?
But I'm going to buy me a toy.
We are.
Oh. And put my mask on.
Okay.
See you tomorrow, guys.